So now I'm getting ready to be on my way to head to a place called, well, this is hard to do with one hand. Give me a moment. To a little tech mall place called Tucum. I'm heading there to go see about grabbing some extra used GoPros, maybe a drone, and a new phone. And then I can start getting some much cooler footage of the shipyard. I think there's going to be some really cool aerial shots that can be had out there of like the tides and the pier and everything, and you can't beat it for launching the ship. So wish me luck finding something. Worst case, I guess I can go to the regular mall. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, so I wound up having to come to the regular mall, but check out the parking in here. All the scooters, it's pretty neat. Definitely not something you see much of anywhere in the West, outside of maybe Sturgis. And then that's once a year, as well. Cooler and bigger bikes in here.
Well, all there is left to do now is go up. One thing that I think is kind of interesting about these places is the mall basically all just goes straight up. What you can see here on the left and then the right, those are like the far walls side to side on the mall, and then it extends front and back, sort of like a big oval that just kind of goes up in rings, and you go up all these escalators. And they have a camera shop here, and that's where I was headed to go grab a couple new pieces of recording gear, 360 camera and a drone, which will be very awesome for making some cool, fun videos. And here we are in the camera shop. You can see the drone I picked up right here, the Mini 2. Here he's placing on the counter. And here's the 360 camera that I'm super excited for.
Okay, so I grabbed a bunch of camera stuff. A lot of money's worth. Got myself a Insta360 camera and a DJI drone. I'm hoping I don't get pissed off too much this time. DJI drones really bother me. As an old school RC pilot from back in the day, all the computer assisted stuff get really annoying. I just gotta repeat to myself, it's not a quadcopter, it's a flying camera. Let it do its thing. Because every time I've tried to fly one technically, it wrecks itself trying to take some sort of evasive action. Like if you do anything unusual, it assumes that you did it by mistake, rather than seeing that you did it intentionally. Quite frustrating, but hopefully I can get myself past that mental block and just enjoy it and get some great footage for you guys. Okay, now to find my bike. I have located my bike. It's over here. Back through all of these other bikes, which means I have to go walk around and manually move all these bikes out of the way into different places, playing Tetris with other people's transportation, and then carefully wheel mine out. Fun. Well, better hop to it.
So as it turns out, that was actually the end of what I had recorded. I should have recorded the path I took out after I moved all the bikes, but I did not. So I'm just going to leave you with some test footage I got of flying the drone for the first time that evening. And I think it's kind of interesting. You get to see all the lines of the roads through town, the different colors, the different types of street lamps, the sodium vapor ones, as well as like your LEDs and stuff. And if you look close, you can probably see dogs, bikes, stuff like that, all getting about. Well, okay, I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.